Tonight I am making a spicy Thai dinner. I'm Tess, and come join me in my kitchen while I make spicy Thai green curry chicken. It will be ready to eat in 30 minutes. I've showed you how I make my Thai red curry chicken, and today I'm showing you the green curry paste. The different curries use different peppers and spices, and each have a unique flavor. I have over a pound of cubed boneless chicken breasts, and you can use chicken thighs. Just lightly browning in my pan with a little oil, and then removing and setting to the side. We will finish cooking the chicken later. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding in some minced garlic and lots of it. This is the green curry paste I am using. I buy this at our local Asian market. If you cannot find this curry paste, I will leave a link in the Show More section where you can purchase it online. The green curry paste really has a nice color, taste, and a spicy kick. Just cooking and stirring for 1 minute, and then I'm adding in the coconut milk and chicken broth. Turning up my heat to bring this up to a simmer. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. Adding in some fish sauce, brown sugar, and a couple Kaffir Lime leaves. You can also get these at your local Asian market, and they are found in the refrigerated or frozen section. I keep mine in the freezer and just pull out a couple when I need them and tear them in two to help release the flavor. You could totally leave out the Kaffir Lime leaves, or you could add a little lime zest. Giving that a good stir and adding in my vegetables. Tonight I'm using some diced onions, baby corns, carrots, bamboo shoots, and bell peppers. Giving that a stir, bringing up to a simmer, covering, and cooking for 15 minutes. Next, I'm adding the chicken and the juices back into the pan, stirring, covering, and cooking for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until the chicken is done. Now I'm fishing out the Kaffir Lime leaves, adding the juice of half of a lime and a handful of fresh Thai basil for a pop of flavor. One more stir to combine and we are ready to eat. I love the spiciness, sweetness, saltiness, creaminess, and deliciousness of this Thai green curry chicken. It is so easy to make, and you can have this comforting meal ready in 30 to 40 minutes. You can serve it with rice or rice noodles. Remember to check out my other Asian recipes. I will leave a link here and in the Show More section below. I hope you give this Thai green curry chicken recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!